'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Hello. Hello, Flurin. Flurin, can you help me setting up an account for Corsin?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Flurin,
Yeah.
can you help me setting up an account for Corsin? I'm giving you the link, okay? On the chat. Please make an account for him. I'm afraid your mom or the email should be approved by the parents. Florin, have you tried to make the game I gave you, the COVID crack? We're going to do
I
it.
tried, but I couldn't log into. I couldn't sign up for Game Maker because it required my email address.
No,
So,
Florin,
huh?
you make it using Scratch. You don't have
Oh
to.
yeah, that's a good thing because I couldn't do it. I just did it in Scratch instead.
Okay, good. So we can try now.
Okay, so then let me show my screen.
Okay. Now you can. I already open the
Not Zoom. You need this.
okay.
Okay.
Where? There. Still can't see it. Still loading. There. You made this?
Yeah.
Oh, so nice. Okay. Oh, so it's oh, I see. So you spawn the to sanitize and also so you can. I see. That's nice. This is really nice. Well done. Okay. So when do we win the game? Oh, I'm going to make you some account for another challenge. Wait. I'm going to make you. How about take it to the new level? I'm going to make you a username on machine learning machine, so you can make things with machine learning with Scratch. Wait, I have to register your name first. Where's Corsin?
Carson, you need to open your Zoom meeting now. Open.
All right. Flurin. Flurin, can you log in here? Wait. Password. Let me send you this. Okay, let me know when you're in.
Okay.
Okay. Corsin, let me know if you're okay. Or I'm going to help him register. Anyway.
Up here. No. Yeah.
Okay, okay. There. Login. Yes. Login. My card. Okay. Okay, now Flurin. Yes. Open worksheet.
Open what?
Worksheet. Yes.
Okay.
Then you choose, scroll down. Choose make me happy.
Okay.
There. Download, download, scroll down, download for student. Yes. There. Open it. Okay. There. Florin, we are going to make a scratch, but with machine learning. So we are going to make a machine that can feel happy and sad. We will teach it to recognize bad words and good words. We will train it, and when we say something bad, it will look sad, and when we say good things, it will be happy. Now you just follow the instruction, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, there.
Okay.
So the code will be like this, where you will code with Scratch, but behind it, it will be connected to a machine learning, which we train to feel happy or sad. So just follow the instruction from number 1 till the end. Log in, and then you go to projects. And then you have to train. Give it a name. Yeah. Probably you can make like the window to be side by side. Corsin,
Yeah.
let me help. Okay. I'm going to help you make can you give me the control? Can you share the whole screen? I need an access to your screen so I can look type something.
Where is get started?
Okay. Okay. Can I just Florian, can you help me? Can you help Corsin to share the whole screen? I need the full access. I need full access for his screen. I'm going to log into some website. Corsin is not sharing screen. Okay. Oh yeah, resharing.
But where is get started?
Okay. Oh, there. Oh, starting already. Oh, thank you, Corsin. Thank you, Florin. Corsin, you know it already. You know what to do already. Good. Okay, I expect you can finish all the lesson before we going back to Roblox. You have to move forward and then attack both of the skeleton person.
Where is get started?
Oh, Flurin, get started. We already get started.
Ah,
Go to your project. Go to your project.
okay.
Go to your project. Add new project. Give it a name. Make me happy. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay. Recognizing. Wait. Lauren, recognizing. You choose. Click on the recognizing word.
Okay.
Text. Yes. And then next. Can you scroll down and choose next? Create. Okay. And then you okay, click on the magma little boy happy. Yes, click there. Train. All right, and then add new level. Give it a name. Bad words probably. Bad words or good, bad words. Bad swear words. Okay, swear stuff. Okay, and then add new level. Another level. Okay, good, sweet things, sweet words, good words. Oh, noise compliment. Okay, add. Okay, add. And then you add example for each category. At least 15 words.
Okay.
Okay. 15 words for each category. Okay. Okay. Flor, Corsin, do you want me to help you? You want me to give you an example? Ah, you have that. Show me. It looks. Is it Yoda?
Yeah.
You both like Star Wars so much, right? Because
Yeah.
Florence Cursor is also Yoda. Why do you like him? Because he's smart and wise and small and cute. Okay. Hello, Yoda. Okay, Corsin, do you need help or do you want to try it? You want me to show you how? Okay. Let me. We have to code this little guy. I cannot click yet. Why? Okay, I'm going to stop and then I ask for control again. Give me the control, Corsin. Okay, thank you. I cannot click. Oh, are you using Mac OS? Oh, there. Okay. You have to move and attack. Okay, move. Look at the ruler. You have to move 100 meters probably or whatever 100, and then move another 2 and then attack like this. So we move, attack, and then we move and attack like that, Corsin, and then we play and see what happens. Is it moving now?
No.
Hah? Kenapa ya? Why? It's supposed to move. Wait. Yoda. Why? Yoda, why this is not working, Yoda? Can you help? No, you cannot. Why? You're supposed to know. You are so wise and smart. Let me restart the game. Probably the connection or not. Does it make sound? A knight is incredible. Move forwards and defeat. Okay.
What
Got
do I
it.
do now?
Use the scale. Okay. Oh, Flurin, check out the tutorial. Follow the steps. I'll get back to you. I'm working on Corsin. Corsin, look, I'm going to show you how this works. Okay. I'm going to move to this guy's position, which is 100, and then I will attack him, and then I move to the other location of this guy, which is 2000, 200. Yes, 200, and then attack. And then we'll see what happened. It doesn't move.
But it says here that we need to press make, but you said I needed to press train.
Huh, 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 huh. Wait. I'm going to go to Flurin. Oh no, not yet. Show me the project again. Show me the project. Oh my God, there are so many tabs. Oh my God. Okay. You have to put 15. This is not enough. Oh my God, the word. You have to add like 12 more for each. Can you add more? And now I will show you what to do, okay? I'm going back to Corsin. Corsin, why this is not working? On start, move. Shall we change? What is the browser? Can we change the browser? Why this one is not working? It's supposed to work. It's supposed to move. What happened? On start, attack, move, attack. It's supposed to move. It doesn't move. Is it moving or is it lagging? But nothing happens, right? Is there any notification on your side saying something like pop-up windows or something, Corsin? Or do you have another browser? Flurin, does Corsin have a different any other browser that can be used?
Yes,
one?
Microsoft Edge.
No, don't use that. Do you have Chrome?
Yeah, he's using Chrome.
How about Safari? Oh, this is Windows or macOS?
Windows.
Okay. This is supposed to work. Why doesn't work? How about join for free? How old are you, Corsin? Okay. Can you give email? Do you have any email address? Or Florence? Or moms? Or do you want to use mine?
Okay, how about I use yours?
Okay, I'm going to be your guardian, okay? Let's see. What is your first name? Username? Create a password. You want to set the password?
With the 14.
Yoda.
14.
Yoda 14. Like that?
Oh, 14. 14. I'll put the numbers. 14.
How to spell it?
I'll show you.
Huh? Oh my God, Corsin. Oh my God, Yoda 14. Florin, look your brother. Okay, we cannot have any white spaces, so I'm going to put them all together, okay? You remember the password, okay, Corsin? Ich bin kein Roboter, okay. Join. Okay, we save this. Continue to dashboard. Okay, today's mission, wait. projects. Wait. Can we just explore? Okay, we are so okay. Code commander. Yeah. There. Okay. Good. Okay. Choose. Corsin, choose. You only have 54. Tell me when you're done. Okay. Keep on going. Is that the Yoda farting or you, Corsin? Is it you farting? Is it Flurin farting?
Hey,
Definitely not me, yeah. What the heck? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Little bit more, Florin. Keep going. Corsin done already? Okay, it's loading. Good. It is loading. It is okay. Now, can we do this now? Please. Please, please. I'm going to do the code. So the code to be, the hero will move to this point 100 and then he will attack and then he will move to the position 200 and then he will make another attack. Okay, and then we just how many? Okay, shall we? Okay, with the block. Okay, run. If something is wrong with your browser, Corsin, it doesn't move. Why? Or is it leaking here?
okay, I'm done.
What's wrong? Oh, okay. Wait, Florin, wait. I have to change. I have to change Corsin. Oh, I have to change his task because it doesn't work. I don't know how. Usually work all the time. Wait. Okay, I want Corsin to do this then. Wait. Okay. Okay. Before to Roblox, you have to do this. Florin, send this through Corsin. I hope it will work on his browser.
All right.
Okay. Corin, see, I mix it up your name both Corsin and Florin and Corin. Okay, done. Okay, let me help. Now, Florin, back to project.
Okay.
Back to project, and then learn and test. Learn and test. Okay, good. Scroll down. Train new machine learning model. Okay, just wait because it is training now. Open the tutorial, Florin. While we're
Which
waiting for this, the one you open, the PDF, the file, the one you download, the one you don't.
okay.
Oh, you can test. Try something here. Type something here. Florin. Say some. Okay. Oh my God, test. Okay, 96% confidence recognized as well stuff. Okay, now say something good.
Okay.
Say something nice. Okay, 100% confidence. Okay, so now the system works.
Not even a word.
System works. Now you have to open the downloaded files, Flurin.
Okay.
Open the downloaded for where is it? On the tab, I think on the there. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Down, down. There. You have to create this, but before open a back to the machine learning. Back to machine learning. Yes. Back to project. Okay, make. Yes. Scratch 3. Okay. Open Scratch 3. Yes. Okay, now you have to follow the code on the worksheet. Like you have to create two sprites, the smiling one and the crying one, and then you have to put the same code following the instruction. Okay, Flurin?
Okay.
Good, 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 nice. So we are now going to make the visualization of what's this? Corsin, open the link I gave you. It's not there. Oh, wurde nicht gefunden? Ah, okay. Okay, let me find. Wait ya, Corsin ya. Oh, I see. You have different lists in here. That's why it wouldn't run it. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me choose something for you, okay? I need you to learn some code for like, so we can implement it on Roblox later. But I need you to do something. Wait, wait. Okay, this one, I think. Huh, why can't we click this? Corsin, can we click the Angry Bird?
No, okay.
Does it say something?
No, just where.
Flurin, Flurin, help. Why Corsin's browser doesn't work? I need to access this page. Flurin, help. Why can't we click here? Is there any pop-up or something? Or notification that we cannot?
What do you do, Corsin?
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, he didn't do anything. I did everything.
Should work.
Oh, there.
There it goes.
Oh, thank you, Florin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now we can work now. We can work now. Okay, you now have to do this. Okay, Corsin, go.
Okay.
Okay. You can listen to the video
Okay.
or you can skip it if you think you already know. Oh, look good. Look at the costume looks good. All right, back to good. Forward and right, and still wondering why Code Commander doesn't work in Corsins. Oh my God, this is so sad. Flurin, do you learn art at school? So you can draw very good, right?
No, I just learned it myself.
Very good. So you are talented. I cannot draw. If you see my games, it looks ridiculous because I cannot draw the sprite. It looks silly and bad and stupid. This one is really good. Looks really sad. So sad.
Like speed. Look at my speed.
Okay, what are you doing, Corsin? What is it with the flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay, go. The video is done. Let's do the work. Help the catch the naughty pig. Catch it, Corsin. Okay.
It's not.
Okay, good. Well done. Okay, continue. Okay, good. Now, still easy. I think you need another one. One more move forward, right? What is it, Corsin? Mhm. One Flurin. Ooh,
What? The right.
this looks so happy. Smiling ear to ear. Smiling ear to ear. Okay, I need to check on my. Oh, I see. Approve account. Okay, good. Oh, nice. Oh my God, this looks. Yes, just follow the code. Don't forget you have to connect it to the machine learning. Guide me to the green evilness. Nice. Continue. Well done, Corsin. Oh. What's wrong? Why is it like that? Why do you do that, Corsin? Here,
Oh, I know what to do.
you have to
I know what to do.
move around to get there.
Okay.
So Turn right. Okay, good. Move forward. How many times?
1.
How many move forward? Corsin.
Left to go left. Left to go left.
Not yet to the left. We still have to move forward. Are you sure? Okay.
Up to more.
I think move forward.
Mm.
Yes.
Oh, Beaver's ears. Beaver's stupid ears. It's annoying me.
Oh, yes.
Mm,
Huh?
Right.
There you go. Nice. Okay. Continue.
Okay. Let's measure it.
Oh, you are adding some. Ayo, give me a compliment. What sound are you adding, Lauren? Every compliment. Corsin, does Yoda speak German? What what language does he speak?
Baby, you
Okay. Oh, sedih kali. Okay. Sounds like Chinese. Yes. Nya. Sounds like.
Repeat 5 times.
Oh,
Repeat 5 times.
sounds like Chinese, right? How does Yoga say happy birthday?
Just find your count. So count. Continue. I play count. Repeat.
You stupid. Okay, so sad. Compliment him. Compliment him. Lauren.
For me out.
All right. Okay. Happy now. Okay, but this one doesn't connected to machine learning, right? We still have to add something more on the tutorial, right?
okay.
Let me check on. Okay.
For me out. What happened?
But I already did.
Yeah, just skip it. Just skip things that you already done. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll
Okay.
down. Okay, train already. Yes, already so far. Now you have to open Scratch and then you will see this. This okay, look, Corsin, okay. Something is not quite right yet. Corsin, you have to fix this. Something is not correct yet. How is it going? You still have what? Oh my God, you cannot do that, Corsin. It will explode. It's good that you are using the loop, but not that much. That's too many.
No. No.
What's wrong? What's wrong for No, don't say you lose it. Oh, you have. Oh, smart. You have already saved it. Good, 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 good. Oh my God, I thought you lost it. We can't. It's Chewbacca. Chewbacca is on Star Wars, right? The one with hairy,
Yeah.
looks like gorilla there. I'm not, I don't really understand about Star Wars. I don't watch the whole movie, but I know some things. Yeah, yes, you have to add that. Recognize text.
You want 5 equals
Okay. Corsin. Okay. When a block is gray, that means you cannot delete it. You have to use it. Okay, use it. Corsin. Repeat 3 times. Move forward. And then right 3 times. And then turn right. You want to try it? Okay. You can, you cannot get rid of the gray one. You have to use it, Corsin. You have to use it. It is mandatory.
I can't change the number.
Okay, just use it for moving forward 3 times. And then you can continue with everything else. Okay. How many times?
Do you want meow?
Hello, Yoda. How old are you, Yoda?
I am 15.
15? 15. Oh, 15 or 50? Or 150?
No, I am 6. That's
Yeah.
my meow.
Is Yoda younger or older than Flurin?
Older.
Okay.
No, look what I'm typing. 50. 50.
How old is Flurin?
12.
And favorite is 50.
All right.
Favorite is 50, not 15.
Oh, I see. Yes. Not 15, 50. 150?
No, just
Yes, yes. Got it, got it. 50, okay. Not 15. Okay. Because he's so small, I thought he was little, just a teenager, no? Yoda is teenager. Okay. Corsin is laughing. Okay. I am the cutest babes. Oh my God, Corsin. Let's do this. Let's continue the work. Come on.
Okay. Okay, so let's continue.
Okay. Those sounds. You have to keep the gray one. You have to use it. No matter what, you cannot get rid of it. Okay, find ways to use it, Corsin. Ayo, compliment ayo.
This is right.
Meow. Corsin, Corsin, is Yoda some kind of cat or human?
He's an alien.
All right. He's an- All right.
Oh no, my camera glitched. Oh,
Okay, good. I can see it now. Do you want me to help on this, Corsin? You want me to help? Okay, let me do this. Okay. So you just, I'm going to reset this. We move forward 3 times and then we are going to turn right. This is
Hey, I
already,
am finished.
I know how to.
okay, do it then. I'm going to see Florence, okay? Do it, Yoda, please. Because it is working already.
Yeah.
Okay, go, show me bad words. Oh my God, okay, the F word. Oh, so sad. Okay, now the good word. I love you. Okay, good. So now it works. I want you to go back to good. Well done, Florence. Go back to the machine learning side.
Okay.
For worksheet
Okay.
on the top. Ah, there. You want to choose a new project yourself, or do you want me to choose it for you?
Hmm.
Hmm. Probably you can try beginner. Oh, this one. How about this one with
Which one?
image? Not make me happy, but chameleon. Chameleon
Mm.
or yeah, chameleon would be good. But you have to. Can you use your camera, web camera?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Download for student. No, not that one.
Oh,
Sam.
and
Yeah, scroll down, scroll down. For students, yes. Download project for students and then open it. Yes, follow the instruction. You have to make a new project and then choose to recognize image, and then you will have to uh you have to enter data colors. You can edit from the internet as well. Chameleon or
I'm bored. I'm bored. I want to program some.
oh my god, Florin.
I want to program on Roblox.
Going to check up on Corsin.
I
Okay.
want to program on
Level
Roblox.
okay, level 10 already good.
I want to program on Roblox.
This is nice. Very nice, very nice.
so which one now?
This one. Wait. Go down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay. There. Stop there. Back to the machine learning. Back to the machine learning. There, yes. Train. Add new label. I think you have to choose 3 colors like red, green, and blue.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Mama. We're in the class,
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
See, your mom checking you out, so you have to learn. Seriously.
What
Flurin,
do I do now?
check on I think you have to add new label red and then another label green, another label blue. Blue, okay. Yeah. You
Look
can
at this.
color from the internet.
This.
You can drag it.
Good this.
Find
Good
a
this.
quite similar but not so similar color of blue. We're
Good
going to
this.
find-
Oh, look at this. Yes.
Carson, let's do the word.
Oh, look.
Okay, already. Okay. Okay, well done. Okay. Continue. Continue.
I am bored, Marisa.
Yes,
I'm bored on program on Roblox.
you have problem with me?
No, it's just I'm bored. I want to program on Roblox. I want to make a game.
Sorry. What did you say? Carson, what
I
did you
want
say?
to make a game on Roblox.
Oh, okay. Okay, go. Go to Roblox now. Okay, go. This is just a warming up. If you want to do Roblox now, it's okay. Okay, let's go. Open the Roblox.
Roblox. Blocks.
Oh my God. Corsin. Where's your Roblox? Turn it up. What's this? Florin, I think this is color, not characters. Don't make the machine confused. Just color. Yeah. Yes, like that. I think you have to wait. I'm going to check up on mine. Million. Okay. You have to make red, green, and blue. So you have to add, okay. If it doesn't work, then we have to train the machine all over again. Corsin,
JPEG or PNG.
I think it has to be JPEG. If you cannot, if you can drag it, then I think it's supposed to be JPEG to be able to be dragged from the browser.
What?
Corsin, have you start your Roblox?
Yeah.
What?
You don't share the screen. I cannot see it.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, reshare the screen so I can see your Roblox and what you're doing there.
Machine learning is gone.
Don't say it. You accidentally close it, Flurin. No. Oh, there on the left. There. No. There. There.
Yeah, but the place where I need to drag in that stuff is gone.
Just open it again. It's there. Machine Learning UK something. It will be still there, but yeah, it's okay. Oh, there. 15 picture. 15 at least, Flurin.
Okay.
Hard work. Teaching a machine is not easy, but once it's done, it will be really useful. There. Flurin, is Corsin always like this?
No.
Has is it a sugar rush or something? Has he eaten too much candy or anything? What did you eat?
Too much kerupuk.
Kerupuk? Is there any kerupuk there? Do you have
Yeah, I
kerupuk?
ate so much. I over there.
You have kerupuk in Zurich?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously? What kind of kerupuk? What kind of kerupuk?
Yeah, my mom. It's like I like at the table.
Oh, nice. What is kerupuk in German?
Maybe they just got it from their friends.
Yeah. What? How do you call it? What do you call it? Kerupuk in German.
I just call it kerupuk.
You just call it kerupuk.
Just call it kerupuk.
There's no word kerupuk in German, right?
Yes, I don't know what that means. I know what it is in German.
Okay. Corsin, I cannot see your screen. Are you sure you are sharing it, or you
Hold
pause,
on.
or you're hiding it from me so I cannot see what you're doing?
So hold on. I'm
Okay.
doing it.
Okay, good. Just
Is
check
it,
it.
is
check
it working now?
No, it's pitch black. I cannot see anything.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Nothing. Still
I'm
nothing.
actually recording. Frank, can you help me? Help me.
Ooh, lucu. Looks good. I want this tool.
Ah, there.
I want
There,
this
there.
here.
There.
Okay. Share. Okay, there. No, it's there. Okay, so what's your plan now? What are you going to make now?
I don't know. I'm just gonna play one of my games. I haven't edited in a long time.
Which game is this one? You play it or you make it or what?
I made it.
Seriously? This one? With
Yeah.
those
Hold on, it's not saying.
with
Not
with what?
saying.
Oh, I see. How
It's
to
not
play this?
saying. I added much more random stuff.
What is those yellow creature
It's
below?
a preset.
What is it?
Here.
Number 1, number 2, number 3. Is it some some guide for movement or what?
Now I just want to add random stuff.
Oh, you had random stuff. Okay, looks nice. So tell me
Minecraft Sky update.
okay, so show
Oh,
me.
that's the actual.
Okay.
Game
Corsin?
froze. Game froze. Send help. Send help. My laptop is crashing.
Okay. Show me how this game work.
It is actually a preset game.
What is a preset game? Explain.
So like it's a game that made by Roblox.
Is
I
it
don't
hard
even
to
know
make?
if it's called a preset game.
Is it hard to make?
No, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. Roblox made it. And then I just chose it as the map. I can even add random stuff.
Do you use model? Do you use model from?
Oh, I'm dying.
Have you ever had add a score to your game, Corsin?
Oh, okay. I
Or
can even
leader
move this.
or leaderboard or something?
What's this? What's this? I can move my character.
Okay. I'm watching.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
See, I'm flying now.
Wait.
Onion. Onion.
What is it?
I can even get
Onion. 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 Onion.
I can even hold on.
Onion. What? Onion.
And I can even
Onion. Onion.
What is it?
Onion.
add these,
Onion.
which makes my meal completely lag. You see that? Lag.
What is it? Show me.
Great.
Show
I
me
added a
how-
house that made the complete game
Okay.
crash.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it actually doesn't crash.
What is this box?
I know what to put.
What else do you want to add to this game?
I don't know.
Do you want to add some scoring or
Hold
some else?
on.
How long have you made this game?
It was like 2 days ago, or 1 month ago. I don't remember.
Oh, 1 month ago. Okay. Oh, okay. So
Oh,
what models are you searching now? What do you plan to add?
oh no, my game. It's in some. It's there.
Oh, nice. Oh,
No, Carson, I need your back.
Okay.
Give me your back. Oh, it's gone. Oh wait, my shirt is blue.
Add something blue.
Mm.
I think it's more like gray. Huh? What is There you go. Lots of blue. How about Corsin? What happened if can we get something in your game and then get some score or some, or can we change costume or something in here?
Oh my god.
All right. Okay. Okay. So what? Okay.
Glitching. Help.
You probably you probably can add like an automatic door that you can enter only with password.
Me?
I think it would be interesting. What do you think?
Look at me, I'm glitching.
What is it? What do you want me to see?
There.
Oh, that's the door. Huh? What is it doing there on the roof? What do you why do you put a door on the roof? What is it supposed to do? Okay, you apparently is planning something that I don't understand.
Now I'm glitching.
All right. Lauren is still busy adding data sets. Good.
I'm glitching. Help. Okay, you don't interact. Try to interact with me. God.
Okay. Corsin, do they have a Yoda model or Star Wars model in
Okay,
Roblox?
hold on.
Yeah, do they have Yoda model?
Okay, let me see.
Oh, really? Really? Why don't you put it in your game?
Why does what happened? They changed my Y to a Z. I don't wait.
All right. Oh,
Oh,
no.
that's so cute. That's actually so. Yours. Look at that model. That's actually adorable. No, the game. Yeah, it ended.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay,
Baby
now
Yoda.
add red and blue, red and green. Corsi, oh, Flurin. You still have to add green and red. Such a hard work.
That's
Tedious,
Bye.
but it will be useful.
How big is Baby Yoda? Where is Baby Yoda? Where are you? Stupid Baby Yoda. No. I can fly. Oh.
God, too much group.
Look at them.
There's Yoda. Nice.
Please look at them. Please look
What,
at them.
what do they do there? Can they move? Can they chase you?
No.
they just stand there.
They just
Stare into yourself.
Oh my God. Baby Yoda. Survival the Yoda. Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda look the same. They're all small.
I
They
don't.
look, they look all the same. Okay, the red one now. Good. Okay. Huh? Yeah, you have to
What
find
just
the
happened? What just happened?
What?
Help.
What happened? What happened?
Help. Sign.
Yeah, so what? You just changed the skybox.
I look like I'm not in air anymore. It looks like I'm in a box.
Very
Oh, I know what to place now. I know what to place now.
Everything that
I know what to
everything
place.
that's red isn't a JPEG.
Oh,
seriously?
look, what? What is
How
this?
come? They supposed to have all kind of
Marisa, look what I found.
what is it, Corsin?
I found this.
What's that? Some red creature?
Everything that's red isn't a JPEG. Finally.
Hey, look what I found.
Why is it so hard to find JPEG, red JPEG?
I don't know. People just don't like low quality.
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, because they use it for background or something. Yes.
Let's try this door. Oh, let's try this door.
Let's do
It's
something with the
working.
door.
Time I fly. I
Red.
die.
Okay.
I can fly anywhere. Oh! You're chasing me. Look at all these. I'm fly.
Okay, more red. Red with hearts. So girly.
I can't tell. What?
Where is it? Where is the data set? Okay. What is happening here, Corsin?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Okay.
We get to
What
that.
happened with all the animation you made yesterday? Or don't you want to use?
It's
Oh, it's
another tab, Corsin.
Or you save it on different file?
Oh. 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 This is the swear system.
What?
Swear system.
Wondering what are you doing in here? Well, Flurin is working hard
Because,
with the data sets.
Swear system is hard.
Where's the door you added before, Corsin? Where is it?
The baby Yoda?
The door?
The
Did you
door.
use it?
Oh, there, hold on. I found a new door.
Okay.
The code is
Yeah, good. Tomato is red. Nice.
what is this?
Apple is also red.
okay. 2, 2, 3.
Heinz.
Yes. Ketchup. Tomato ketchup.
I can't click it. Click it right up on it.
Yeah.
That random stuff.
Oh, I forgot something. Wait. Have we? Hmm?
I can't escape. This is how I should escape. Can I fly? See, I fly. Or help.
Oh, there. I got something.
Boss.
What is it?
It's time we spend random stuff. We can just
Red already. How many? Okay, now yellow. No, green, right?
Green. Green.
Green. Gone.
Yours.
Green. Okay. Good. I'm going to check up on. Green. What's that? What is this other creature? Is this the enemy? How about making a combat game or a coin collecting game in Roblox?
What?
Corsin. Okay, green. Oh, so Yoda is on the list on the data set.
Yeah.
All right.
What's this? Lord. Oh, 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 oh.
What is it?
Try keep it. It's so stupid.
Everything that's green isn't a JPEG.
Everything. Ow.
Okay, how many more green?
Maybe you're the council. Green.
Corsin? How many games have you created with Roblox?
I know what to
Yeah,
do. I know what
okay.
to do.
How about creating a new? We still have 6 minutes. Are you going to make a new game on Roblox?
Yeah, hold on.
Roblox.
Let's do
Roblox.
let's do let's do
Sharks. Sharks.
When you
Rocks. Rocks. A rock.
let's do obby game.
Stupid baby.
Okay, what game is this? Tell me.
Some
Explain,
coin.
Corsin.
Some coin dash game.
What is this game? Are we going to upgrade this one?
Hold on, let me see. Press
What do you
this.
want to do with it?
No. Soup. Has no.
What happened?
I
Oh,
died.
you're collecting coins? Oh, how about creating a game to collect trash? So you have to clean
No,
up place.
I totally forgot these were explosions.
How about that? Next class.
I need to finish this. I
Done
need to
already?
do my score.
Flurin, done already? No? Okay. Oh, you close it
Points do I have?
accidentally again. Okay.
No! Space. Glitch.
4 minutes more, guys. Add 4 more. Green, Flurin.
Grand.
Zombie.
So many weird noise sounds now today.
No. No.
So many sound effects today.
So
So many sound effects today. What did you guys have before the class? What did you have for lunch?
We didn't have lunch.
Not yet?
I don't have lunch yet.
Okay, you're going to have one after this?
Maybe.
No, maybe you should have. Oh, that's not the correct.
Mm. 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 I remember that.
More pics. More pics, Lauren. Corsin, how about creating a game to collect trash? And then when you collect trash, you will get score.
Yeah,
Or if not, let's make an obby game.
Obby game, Corsin. Make
Yeah,
an
but-
obby.
But it is more like an hobby.
You know,
That
like
is not an obby.
parkour
Stupid.
thing when you climb upstairs and everything.
Okay, I'm finished.
I don't. I want to put
Okay, you're finished. Take a look at. Oh, okay.
this guy.
Okay. Let's go back to project. Let's
Okay.
test it for a while and then we'll continue next class. Back to project and then learn and test. Okay. Scroll down. Train new machine learning model. Okay. Before we create the scratch code, we will test this first. If this one doesn't work, then we have to fix the data set. Just wait a little bit, Flurin. We'll check this out before we leave. We dismiss the class. Just I want to see if this works.
There, look at this.
Okay. Let me check. What is Corsin?
I changed the map.
Oh, you changed the map. Actually,
I
this
mean, I
one-
changed the sky.
oh yeah, the background. I see. Okay. Done already the training, Flurin?
The Minecraft one.
No!
Check the train. Have it finished?
Wait.
Okay, now test with webcam. Ah, yeah, there.
No.
Suppose it has to be green.
No.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Try the other.
Green.
Try blue and red.
Red.
Red. Oh,
Martial arts.
I don't think it will work. It does. It's not red.
It
Okay.
might.
It might. Okay, not 100%. Oh,
It
no.
works.
It
No.
works.
Red.
Okay, no blue, no blue, no blue, blue,
Okay.
blue. Oh,
Alright.
your machine is smart.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Blue.
Okay, great. Can you try it with webcam? Do you have something in red or
Okay.
blue? Try once. I want to see. Prepare something. Okay, your shirt. It's supposed to be blue?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Well done. Okay. Okay, next class we're going to work on a scratch code, okay? Florin.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye, Corsin. Bye, Florin.
Bye bye.
Have a good lunch, okay?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good lunch, okay? Don't
Okay.
eat too much sugar.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you next class. Bye, Corsin.
Bye-bye. How do I leave this meeting?
You cannot leave. You will stay until tomorrow.
There. Bye-bye.
Bye.